What does it mean when a fintech platform outpaces two established banks, not just in revenue, but in profit? In the first quarter of 2026, Mynt, the force behind GCash, pulled off a feat that surprised even seasoned investors. It generated more revenue and more than double the profits of RCBC and Security Bank. More importantly, Mynt's net margin was 11 percentage points higher. It wasn't simply earning more. It converted each peso of revenue into profit far more efficiently. The numbers tell the story. RCBC and Security Bank, pillars of Philippine banking, each reported around 17 billion pesos in operating income, with net profits hovering at 2.7 billion pesos. Mynt outstripped them, 20.9 billion pesos in revenue and 5.6 billion pesos in net income. On efficiency, RCBC and Security Bank converted about 16% of income into profit. Mynt boosted that ratio to nearly 27%. Why does this gap exist? Traditional banks carry heavy burdens, credit provisions, regulatory complexity, loan books built on risk, and legacy infrastructure. In 1Q26, impairment losses and credit provisions took a significant bite. RCBC booked 4.7 billion pesos, Security Bank nearly 3.9 billion pesos. Operational costs stacked up, slowing profit. Mynt's story is different. As a platform, its focus extends far beyond lending. GCash's app ecosystem drives payments, transfers, savings, investments, insurance, and more, touching the daily financial habits of millions. Users transact constantly, and with each interaction, Mynt builds relationships, gathers data, and unlocks cross-selling opportunities. Frequency matters. It turns thin-margin payments into high-value, scalable business. Banks rely on balance sheets. Platforms rely on behavior. Mynt's model scales rapidly, delivering profit through digital traffic, not branch visits. Still, the comparison is not apples to apples. Mynt faces its own risks: credit exposure, regulatory scrutiny, competition, but its platform economics provide unmatched efficiency. The implications are profound. Investors increasingly treat GCash and Mynt not just as digital tools, but as foundational financial players. The old banking model grinds slow and steady. The platform model transforms habits into profit at speed. In 1Q26, that transformation was impossible to ignore. This is the new lesson for Philippine finance. Profit follows behavior, not just balance sheets. Platform finance isn't just here, it's rewriting the rules. The future belongs to those who adapt.